Hi and welcome to an awesome new tutorial, and today we've got something very exciting to learn. Today we'll be learning how to send follow-up emails to re-engage your customers. Follow-up emails are one of the best ways to convert your customers. It reminds a pre-warmed up customer base to take immediate action. Okay, so now let's go ahead and jump on the tutorial. To start off with, we're going to make sure we're on the Automizely Marketing admin panel. And once you're on this page, the first thing you want to do is you want to click on emails. And once you do click on emails, make sure you click on newsletters. Awesome. And as soon as you do that, the next thing you want to do is you want to select a newsletter template of your choice. So go ahead and pick the one you like. I'll click on this one, the Black Friday 03. Perfect. Now, go ahead and change the settings of the newsletter as per your needs. Go ahead and change the campaign name, and that's just for you. So that means this won't be shown to your customers. Change the email subject. Now, this will be shown to your customers, so make sure you pick a good name. The merge tags allow you to pick either the first name, last name, or full name. Go ahead and change the preview text. And anything you do here, you'll see on the right-hand side in real time. Moving on, we've got the sender info text. So select the email that you'd like to send the email from. Go ahead and change the sender name. Then we've got the reply to email. So once your customer replies, you can select which email the replies will be sent to. You can either choose same as the sender email, which is recommended, or you can choose an other email. I'll go ahead and choose another email, and you can select which email you want. Next, the send to section. You can either select all your contacts, filter contacts, or segment contacts. Let's go ahead and select filters and configure the target audience to customers who haven't opened this newsletter. So I'll go ahead and click on edit filters. You can either choose match any filters or match all filters. So I'll go ahead and choose the emails filter, and then I'll choose more filters. So the first one would be does not open the email. There are a bunch of other filters you can choose, but I'll choose does not open. And the second one is your campaign. So right now we only have the newsletter campaign, so I'll just choose that one. But if you have more, you'll see them here. And then once you're done, make sure you click on save. Or you can choose segments. Let's go ahead and click on it and select a segment. I've got 3, so I'll choose my segment. Notice I have no contacts, so for you, there will be contacts if you do have contacts. I'll choose the win back opportunities segment. And then in the follow-up email section, make sure you click on enabled. So what this will do is, let's say your customer didn't open your email. Oh no. So because they didn't open their email, you want to send a follow-up email. The same email with the same content on some other day or several days until they open it. The trigger says does not open this newsletter. So this will only target those customers who do not open your email. Time to send. You can choose how many days should go by until they get on. You can choose how many days should go by until they get another email with the same content. And you can choose a different subject line. For example, get it before it's gone. So for the days, I'll go ahead and choose, let's say, 6 days. Let me just go ahead and add a smiley face to my subject line so it looks cute and friendly. You want to make sure you choose a good subject line so they do open. So make sure you're clever. At the bottom, you've got the Automizely branding. Customers can contact our support and we'll remove Automizely branding. Perfect. Now let's move on to the content tab and set up the coupon campaign. Awesome. Now we can choose an image, a different image, but that's pretty simple. So let's go ahead and click on the coupon block. And you can also easily delete each block. Perfect. And on the right hand side, as you can clearly see, it automatically added the coupon in real time so you can see how it looks. Select your coupon. I'll choose the welcome pop-up coupon. Go ahead and change your title, your description, and then for the text below coupon code, I'll type in "Get it now." Change the button text. You can also use a certain URL which will direct your customers to your store's homepage. And you can change the colors to get the right feel for your brand. Now let's go back and select the Styles tab to customize the newsletter style, color, font, and background, the fun stuff. So go ahead and change it up according to what you like. And once you're ready, you can save, send, or schedule the newsletter. Perfect. You've got the save button here, the send now button, and the schedule button is right next to the send now button when you click on the arrow down button. So let's go ahead and send it now. It'll give you a pop-up saying you're about to send your email to 0 contacts. I don't have any contacts, but it'll say the right number of contacts for you if you do have any contacts. Then just simply press send and you're all good to go. How cool and easy was that? Very simple, and you can keep on doing this over and over again and have a huge number of conversions in just a few simple clicks. And once the newsletter is sent, you'll see the scheduled follow-up email below. And say, for example, you haven't scheduled the follow-up email while you were setting up the newsletter. Oh no! Well, it's pretty simple. You can even do that after sending the newsletter. Just simply click on the 3-dotted icon and then simply click on Send Follow-up Email. But here's the catch. If you're setting up your follow-up email after sending the newsletter, unfortunately, you can only edit the email subject line. And that's it. So make sure the subject line is attractive so you can catch more clicks. Then click on Send Now and you'll be scheduled to have the emails sent if they don't open up the email. And there you go. You've got the follow-up email successfully configured. And that's a wrap of another awesome tutorial. Feel free to leave off a comment or drop us an email if something goes wrong with this process here. And we'll help you out to make sure you're not stuck or facing any kind of issues with this process. Thumbs up, like, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much once again, and we'll be back with more videos. Stay tuned, take care, and good luck.